Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing permission and collecting recovery credentials so you stay on the right side of the law. Once done, sign into the device owner's Apple ID and make sure two-factor authentication is accessible. This prevents dead ends. Next, update iOS and confirm the device has reliable Wi-Fi and sufficient battery. These steps avoid failures during the recovery flow. Make sure you record any account details you'll need, because missing credentials are the most common blocker. Now you follow the built-in recovery path provided by the platform. First, go to Settings and locate Screen Time. If the system offers a Forgot Passcode option, choose it and authenticate with the linked Apple ID. If account recovery is required, follow the official steps exactly, using two-factor codes when prompted. Keep the device unlocked and on Wi-Fi while the system verifies credentials, because interruptions often force you to restart the process and lose progress. Finish by choosing a new screen time passcode and immediately verify the settings work as intended. Once you set the code, test a restricted action to confirm limits and content filters are applied. Adjust values if they are too strict or too lax. If anything stalls, like account verification failing, stop attempting workarounds. Instead, gather proof of ownership and contact official support for guided recovery. That official route prevents account locks and legal issues while resolving the problem reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.